How to render a JavaScript website with Node.js. Rendering a JavaScript website with Node.js involves using server-side JavaScript to generate HTML content dynamically. This is common in modern web development, especially for creating web apps that require fast performance and SEO optimization. Node.js allows you to run JavaScript on the server. And with the help of frameworks like Express.js, you can create routes, handle requests, and send back HTML responses. You can use templating engines like EJS, Pug, or handlebars to mix HTML and JavaScript logic. When a user visits a page, Node.js processes the request, fetches any required data, and then renders the final HTML output before sending it to the browser. This is known as server-side rendering, SSR. SSR is beneficial because it allows pages to load faster, improves SEO by providing complete HTML to search engines, and offers a better user experience. Node.js also supports APIs and backend logic, so your website can interact with databases or third-party services while rendering content. Using Node.js for rendering gives you full control over your website's structure, logic, and performance. It's a powerful tool for building scalable and interactive web applications that work seamlessly across devices and networks